Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome, and good morning or good evening to some of you. Let me, the sun is shining here again. I might have to turn the lights on again. Green, good morning. Trick Biscuit, hello. What's up? Dilzik, good morning. Trader Yamil, welcome. The new Take Profit Trader commercial is creepy. Oh my god. Nice. Let's go. Joey, welcome. That's good to hear, man. Marshall, good morning. Bad Mouse, welcome. Man, I have to do something about the lights here because it's too bright if I open up the rollerblades full. Okay. This could be better. Now, let's pull this down. Okay. Okay. This could be good now. Hopefully. Beanie Player, welcome. Fresh Delgado. Have you ever got paid out with the Starter Plus account? Not with the Starter Plus. I got multiple payouts with the regular Starter account, not with the Starter Plus. But I think the payout policy is the same. You need 5 minimum days over $100, and that's how it works. I mean, the payout policy should be the same as on the regular Starter. But I got payouts, yes. This year, last year I got 2 payouts. This year, 3 payouts from Starter. 3 or 4? I don't know. 3 at least. Anyway. And by the way, I got 2 more payouts approved by Apex. 2 more payouts approved. I requested it, by the way. I requested it yesterday, as you see. It's only $1,019 from 2 accounts, but I got approved a few hours later. I can still request another one, but I want to do more on this. I can request another $594, but I'm gonna request a little bit more. Hold on. Look at that, going higher. Previous day high. By the way, I think I have a feeling that the 4-hour/1 hour fair value gap at 374 could be the draw on liquidity. That's what I think. 374. Watch out for that level. I think it could be important. Oh, nice, Trader Yamil, aka Nez. I see you find an edge there. Yes, I trade with Take Profit Trader. Yes, I had 2 funded accounts. Unfortunately, I blew up one, so I'm trading on the on one yet. But I'm trying to get more. I'm trying to get more. I had a very good run in March, I think. Yes, I had a very good run in the month of March with Take Profit Trader. I took like literally daily payouts for like a week or something. And I also had a 150k funded account, which I closed intentionally and walked away with the safety net, 50% of the safety net. Hazen, good to see you. Requested a 5k payout from Topstep. Beanie Player. Hey, almost missed that. 5k payout from Topstep. Dude, Beanie Player, I know you were working super hard for that. Beanie Player, congratulations for $5,000 from Topstep. I know you put in a lot of work there. Good job, man. Camille is here. Hello. Yeah, Yamil, it happens. It happens. We all have to find our edge, but hey, at least you found it. Naomi, hello. Welcome, Naomi. Free did it, free real. Free the real. Real pig. So a good chunk left. That's good. Very good. Uh-oh. I think my streamer lamp is or it's gonna go off, I think. It started vibrating. We might gonna lose the lights here. My God. Anyway. Mexican John Wick, hello. Got your first payout in the bank. Congratulations, Juan Wick. Bree, hello, welcome. Kirk. What's up, Kirk? Yamil. What time frame? I switch between 5/1 minute time frame most of the time. Higher time frame usually 15/1 hour. Yeah. Yeah, I base the drawn liquidity. Usually I try to base it according to the 15-minute/1 hour. I don't know why I'm not using the 30-minute. I'm just not using the 30-minute time frame, but 1 hour/15-minute levels. Gives you meaning in the dark. Yeah. All right. All right. So, pretty much going sideways here on the 5-minute. There is an order block on the 5-minute here. Well, it's not the most beautiful order block, that's for sure, but it is an order block. And I would like to see it being broken at 343, going up to previous day high. Now, if it's not going to go, we still have an Asia low down there, 246. We'll see. Robert, hello. Welcome. Ron, what's going on, by the way? Yeah, exactly, Emil. Yeah, higher time frames could be game changing, man. Exactly. You have to carve your own way out, and you know. So I'm still looking for some movement to the upside here. Gold is edging higher. Good to know. Good to know. All right. NQ still uptrend. Looking at 5/15-minute time frames, I do think that we will go higher. I just want to see 347. I want to see 347. That's the bare minimum I want to see. But 374, interesting number, 4774. But 374 could be also a good target. I'm not entering, not jumping into anything yet. It could be a 5-minute pullback here. There is liquidity lower, no order block. that worth mentioning. Nothing on the 3 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Kind of looks like that. There's no structure shift here. Anyway, I still think the drawn liquidity is 347. That's what I feel. I can feel it. No, I did not trade. I mean, sometimes like it was maybe like almost 2 years ago I tried Asia session, but I always keep saying that, man, we should try to trade Asia session, right? I mean, sometimes I mean, look at that. Look at Asia session here. I mean, this wasn't that bad if you just look at the 1 minute. Yeah, it might be not as super exciting as a New York session. I get it. But I mean, it wasn't that bad. Look at this. I mean, you could catch like 20 points in this here. It wasn't that bad. And still, after midnight, I mean, absolutely not bad. These moves. If you know what you're looking for, obviously, then you can catch 20 points here and there. Joseph, hello. What time it is over? Well, it's 8:12 in the morning. 8:12 in the morning. So it's pretty much ideal for me to to trade the London session. Yeah, Mexican John Wick got his first payout. Sausagey, yeah. Super happy. Congratulations again. Yannick's, welcome. Yeah, exactly. I mean, you have to see what works for you. That's all that matters. Previous day high, US session high. Yeah, exactly. I like that 347 level. I'm definitely eyeballing that we could go there. I just don't have an entry. Oh, paperwork, yeah. Congratulations again, John Wick. Good morning, Marco. You switched over to Asia with gold. That's what I've been told. I've been told that I should be trading gold in Asia session. I will look into it, maybe. The problem is, if I keep streaming, for example, I mean, here it will be, in my time, it will be at the middle of the night, right? And if I keep talking like this, the other room is our bedroom. My girlfriend, she's going to be up all night, hear me talking, and she's going to be very angry at me if I stream all night. She goes to work very early, by the way. Like, usually leaves before 7 a.m. in the morning. So she has to sleep. She has to sleep. And if I would stream in the Asia session, I would be punished. James Smeaton, welcome. Hello. Nikolai, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. Hey, Mexican John Wick. There's no quitting here, man. Look into my eyes. There's no quitting. You can't quit. It's no option. No option B, man. There's no quitting. Okay? Forget about it. Okay? There you go. All right. You'll be down for long? Yeah, let's see, Camille. Maybe, Camille. I'm not sure. Sweep the 300s? Yeah, that's a nice round number. Why not, actually? There's a fair value gap down there. Not a bad idea. Sweeping 300 and then boom, go higher. Watching the 1 hour fair value gap. Well, let's watch the 1 hour fair value gap. Depending on which one. We have a 1 hour fair value gap 374 up there, and there is one right here. Maybe that's what you're referring to. Uh, 1 hour busy. Oh yeah, look at that. How about a sweep of this BC and then go higher? Don't worry, Yamil. Payouts will come. That doesn't matter how much time it takes. As long as you're not giving up, payouts will follow. You know. Don't worry. It will come. Did you waiting for you, chill? Payout today, Apex today. It give me the line between 4. I don't understand. Yeah, so the maximum that you can request the Onyx is $550. That is the maximum. So it gives you the amount. But interesting, because I thought that the minimum amount is $500 with Apex. Maybe I know it wrong. Funded for 8 days with Apex 50k, up 1.4k. Interesting. Did you reach the safety threshold? I guess not. So your balance should be like 51,400. Maybe is it a static account? Oh yeah, you're not Yannick's. I thought that it's Yannick's. Just keep it slow, Nikolai. Keep it slow. 1.4k, it's good. Go for base hits, $100 to $300 of profit. You know, if you make like $200 a day, Nikolai, I would walk away for the day. I would leave the account and maybe switch to an eval or demo, whatever. You know, you're good, very good. 8 days is very, very good. And you're up 1.4 in 8 days. Come on, man. That's awesome. Yeah, Yamil. Higher time frame does help. But don't worry. I like a lot of boom, boom, boom. Let's go, Yamil. Hey, you're the man. You're the man, Yamil. I know you go emotional about trading sometimes. I understand, and you will get there. Don't worry. Don't give up. Never ever give up. You have 250k account. Interesting. Interesting. I thought that the minimum payout is 500, but maybe you can ask support. Benz, hello. Good morning. There you go. Everybody takes the same road. It depends how long or short the road is for some people. But don't worry, we will get there. Yeah, we can't quit. Exactly, Fresh Delgado. So, when you're above the safety net, I can. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Nikolai. So I just, from For example, I can show you an example here. I'm gonna request a payout right now, which I'm not going to get. Look at this. Request payout. I'm gonna do this live here. Now, look at this. Yesterday, I wanted to request a payout, and by the way, I got approved yesterday on 2 accounts. But let me show you this. This is the, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Oh, if I scroll down. This is number 73. It has $2,694. Account number 73. Now, let me show you the account. Account number 73. Here it is. So here's the account. It has $2,694 right here. If I click on it, it says I can request between $500 and $594. Now, I wanted to request $594 yesterday, but guess what? I had a big day of $809. And I'm just above the, what's it, 594, 594. If I request it, look at this, what's happened. I request it, request. This is what I get. I'm not sure if you can read it. You have a windfall for PA account 73. I had the biggest day was $809, and I'm just 0.02%. As you can see it here, I'm just 0.02% above the 30% limit. So I need to make an additional $4 or $3, $4 on the account. So actually, not even that. I think yeah, $4, yeah. So then I can request a payout. So I need to make $4 today on this account to request it. But anyway, it says 594. I exceeded. My best day is still bigger than 30% with 0.02%. But anyway. By the way, the $2,000, it just got wired this morning. That got approved last time. And it's still active. So the account is still going. But anyway, that's how it went. Let me read the chat real quick. 100 lot. What up? Bulenox still pays. Got your 1500 payout approved. 100 lot, guys. 100 lot also put a lot of work into this. I need to give an applause to 100 lot. Congratulations. Good job, man. Just My Style is here. Welcome. Someone said you were doing a giveaway. Well, we did the giveaway on Monday. We're gonna do a giveaway. What day is it? There's gonna be no London stream, by the way, on Friday. Again, I'm taking my mother again to the doctors. Family first, but she needs a special treatment. But I will not be here on Friday. Just saying. But I'll be here in the New York session. So Friday London session is cancelled, unfortunately. But the giveaway is gonna be tomorrow. I did a giveaway on Monday. There's gonna be another giveaway tomorrow. I promise. All right. Pinky promise. Congratulations again, 100 lot. Power 3. Yeah, exactly, Emil. I'm a windfall degenerate gambler. Yes. Windfall degenerate gambler. 0.02%. Yeah, that's a windfall. So basically, I went over the 30% consistency rule when requesting a payout. But the good thing is, I only have to make $4. Now, guys, it happened to me before. I was $10 away from a payout, $10, and I blew the account. So $10 away from payout, and I blow up the account. So you can say, $4 is easy. Once it happened with me with $10, and it happened with me with $20 or $30 as well. At least 2 times it happened with me. That's how close I was to payout. And it happened with me. There's actually a video on the channel. It says I blew all my funded accounts. I just had to flip on Apex. I just had to flip it. All I needed was 1 or 2 flipping days, and I blew up the account. 4 accounts actually blown up, copy traded. And all I had to do is just flip it. Just flip for 1 or 2 days. And I blew it up. 4 accounts, copy traded. Now that was the biggest hit. One of the biggest hits, maybe the biggest hit I took. I was nearly $5,000 into a payout, securing the payout. Combined all the 4 Apex accounts together, I was nearly into $5,000. I wanted to request at the same time. And all I needed is just 2 flipping days. And I was greedy, and I blow up everything. Boom. That's it. It was literally money on the table that I just burned away. I was so angry. Oh, wow, look at that. Things are happening. Quick scalp, yeah, exactly. Yeah, graduation. Hello, Isham, welcome. Look at this, we're going higher. I think it really wants to go higher, right? That's what it feels like. Anyway. Exactly. Yeah. I'm reading the chat real quick here. Yeah, definitely not. We all learned our lessons. Yeah, that was crazy stuff. Yeah, exactly. That can happen. Yeah, exactly. I mean, yeah. Mo Lester, welcome. First timer here. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, exactly. Same happened to you too, Naomi. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's painful. It's a painful experience, that's for sure. Let me check this real quick. Uh, 15-minute chart to see the range. Yeah, I'm watching the 15-minute, by the way, on my left here. But yeah, I'm keeping an eye on it. Just a second here, guys. Let's see what's going on. I also want to check where is the 1 hour fair value gap level. down there, just in case it wants to go down again. So that's the 1 hour level at 302. Okay, it's good to know. Hey, Trading Star. Hey, my man. Trading Star, thank you so much, man, for the support. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. I also want to buy 1 or 2 accounts at least with MyFundedFutures now. You spent 22K in a year. Oh my God, the Fresh Delgado. Fresh Delgado, my man, dude. Well, I don't know. First of all, thank you so much for using my code, and I appreciate all the support, man. I don't know what to say. Second of all, don't stop. And don't worry. I mean, you'll get to those payouts. Don't worry. It's gonna be all good. Man, thank you so much again for using my code. I trust you. I believe you. Okay, we just made a new high here. As long as you're aiming for payouts and you're not giving up, I mean, there has to be some kind of progress in your trading style, you know, time to time. That's, by the way, that's not such a, I mean, Yamil, that's actually not bad. So that's good. Hey, you got Fresh Delgado, man. You got half of it back. That's actually, you're making progress, man. In 2 months. That's how quickly the game can change, Fresh Delgado. That's why I actually love trading. It doesn't matter if prop firm or not or whatever. That's how fast things can change in trading. I'm not in a position. But that there was no entry for me to go here. But I think the drawn liquidity is 347, low-hanging fruit. Oh, I see. Okay, Yamil. This year, guys, I just went over the $10,000 threshold this year. Actually, let me check it. This year, I just went over $10,000 in evaluation accounts, fees, and activation fees, including resets and everything. This year, I've spent $10,082. $10,082 this year for evaluations, activation fees, and resets. $10,082. Now, that being said, including my $2,000 payout, which has been sent by Apex, I have received 27,471. So 27,471, which I received from trading payouts, but I've spent just over $10,000 for evaluations, activations, and reset fees. I need to, you know, separate this as much as possible, but so far this is the year so far. Hey, thank you, Trading Star. So far this year, I can say, thanks to God and to you guys and everybody, this year I am net positive on trading. On trading payouts, I'm net positive. Of course, I just paid the tax last week from last year, of course, as an individual. So tax paying month is this month in my country. The latest date you have to pay your tax is next Tuesday. So I paid it last week. It was painful, but I need to pay tax. Martin, good morning. Welcome. How did getting that payout approval from Apex feel for 2K? That was really awesome. Now as you can see, for that $2,000, it's from account number 56. Here's the story of the account number 56. Leg day is gonna be tomorrow. So account number 56, first payout request happened for $517, which was denied due to the 30% rule. So anyway, account number 56 went to the next payout request at March 18, which was approved and paid $1,074, $1,096, the next payout request on the 4th of April. As you can see, the trading days are getting higher. And then the third payout on the 17th of April for $1,530 got paid as well. So after the third payout, we talked about this, the safety net is not required to be held. So on this month, the 8th of May, I requested $2,000 after 43 trading days, and I just got the email that plane sent the money. So we'll see if it arrives during the stream. If it arrives during the stream, I'm gonna show you. So I'm just waiting live here for this $2,000 to arrive, and I requested yesterday. I don't even know what is this. One is blown. Yeah, there was one blown. I got this one yesterday, and I requested it. This one yesterday. I got approved this morning. So and I'm still waiting to request this. So how does it felt like? It felt amazing. It felt amazing. And I still have this account. It's number 56. Account number 56. We're gonna have a moment of silence when this account blows up. It's right now sitting at $912. So my safety threshold is $812 right now on this account. I don't know what's it gonna be. I don't know how's this gonna go. I try to push it again to the safety net or somewhere there. I don't know if I have to meet the safety net again or not. I'm not sure about that, but I try to push it over to $2,000 or more. But lucky account 56 is still alive. It's still here. It's still trading. Anyway, Chaz, good morning. Bangs, hello. Yeah, lucky number. My best account so far since I am trading, guys. Since I'm trading with futures prop firms, which is 2023 September. This Apex account number 56 is my luckiest account so far. I got 4 payouts from the same account. I think this account was definitely a good investment. So if I'm gonna blow the account, we're definitely gonna have a moment of silence here on stream for lucky number 56. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. School of Trade on YouTube. I didn't hear him. Keep the payouts coming. We'll try. 2 starter plus accounts can get you 12K in a month if you're consistent. Oh wow. The starter plus accounts, really? I mean, I want to look into that. 12K in a month, you're saying? Fresh Delgado. 2 starter. I actually want to buy starter plus accounts, not because I don't like the expert accounts, but I trade micros, small size. So I'm good with the starter plus, maybe. Yeah. 56 is my top soldier account right now. You got a lot of ammo left. Yeah, I still got a lot. I mean, $812 drawdown. If I, keep it small and base hits, I can actually do something with it. Fast healer, yeah. Do you have a code for Phidias? I don't. I just registered as an affiliate with Lucid Trading, by the way. I never ever tried them, but since I opened up an account, I mean, this is the first time I'm trying to trade with them. I don't know if they're good or bad, but that's the only new prop firm I registered with, Lucid Trading. But I heard about Phidias, but I don't have a code for them. And don't worry about it, Yamil. It's different for everybody, If you go with the Heikeneshi, it's fine, it's cool. And as I said, you're gonna find your edge. 6K each account max withdrawal before move to live with the 50K starter plus. I'm gonna look into that, Fresh Delgado. I mean, I heard about the max cap is being held. I just wasn't sure about the consistency. I think is 50% there, but that's good. I have to look into the withdrawal cap. Hey, no, don't. You don't have to be sorry, Emil. I never took it personal, anything. If there was something and it's not about you, which we didn't like to hear, well, you know what happened. The drive-by happened, so who knows? Nah, come on, man. Don't worry, Camille. Hey, thank you, 100 lot, man. Thank you so much for the support. And by the way, I mean, this year so far, as I said, I'm net positive, but I couldn't have done it so far. I couldn't achieve this because I'm doing this full time without affiliate commissions. And I cannot thank enough for all the supporters of you guys who are using the code. And even if you're just watching YouTube and here, I couldn't have done it without the support of using the affiliate commissions. I left my job last year, 24, in March. I can always go back, but when I kept focusing here, it was only possible because I made enough money to keep me here full time on YouTube, and it's because of you guys. So thank you so much for that. The goal is obviously to make those payouts and all the money from trading. So I think we made a huge progress. If I compare this time right now, and by the way, my birthday is gonna be next week. So if I compare this time right now to 1 year before, we definitely achieved together a lot of things, not just payouts, but we learned a lot. We saw a lot of things. We saw crazy markets last year. We saw, so it was interesting. Then the whole trading is just amazing. Anyway, yeah, I need to buy accounts. All right, Kelgreden. Thank you, 100 lot, man. Don't worry about it, Yamil. It's in the. I don't. It's long gone. It's okay. It's all right. No consistency with Starter Plus. Oh, definitely don't have a consistency. Yeah, that's good, man. Thank you, Fresh Delgado, for that. I'm definitely gonna look into it. Exactly. Start the day here all the time. Watch and learn. Anyway, I realized that I just love trading. I think trading is one of the few professions, if I can call it, that can really give you freedom. Maybe you're not going to be a millionaire, because that's not the goal in first case, to be a millionaire, but it gives you the real chance and the edge to free yourself out of, you know, society itself, like working for a 9 to 5, and you can print your own paychecks, and that's the goal. I think that's an absolutely realistic and doable goal. And guys, if I can keep my payouts net positive, that basically a proof that anyone can do it. Anyone. If I could do it, anyone can do it, man. That's the thing about this. Anyone can do it. If I could do it. And so far, I'm not saying I made it, but I was doing way worse like a year, and especially 2 years ago. Way worse than this. So don't give up. If any one of you guys were thinking to give up, don't. Just don't. That's it. Switch to Asia. Well, maybe I should check into Asia, Fresh Delgado. Maybe I should. SNNSEE. How should I say this? SNNC. Welcome. I'm sorry I butchered your name. Will you kiss me on the forehead and be my mentor and tell me everything is going to be okay? Kamil, I would do that. I'm crazy, you know that. I'm a crazy person. If you were here right now, I would kiss you in the forehead. I would look into your eyes and I would say, it's gonna be okay, Kamil. It's gonna be perfectly okay. Don't worry. Okay, I hope you feel better now. You said a long time ago and I stole it. I'm very busy running my trading business. Oh, and it's completely true. Yeah. Sensei. Okay. Sorry there, Sensei. Sorry. London has fewer streamers. Yeah. So I sometimes I kind of feel like I'm the guy who's running the place where, like, in the middle of the night nothing is open, you know, it's a graveyard shift and everything, and you know, some people keep coming to the stream like, who's this guy? There's nobody to watch. Okay, let's watch this crazy guy. So exactly, Emil, exactly. Oh, Methodical Man said, is he alive right now? He lost his voice, so I should call him now. He lost his voice. Is he streaming? I saw his stream yesterday. There was something about he lost his voice. If anyone knows his cell phone number, I promise you guys, I'm gonna call him. I think he's sleeping. I'm gonna call him and, you know, just gonna call him like, what's up? You know. But I think I was thinking to call him on Discord, but I'm not sure if the Discord rings his phone. I'm not sure. I only have Discord on my PC, by the way. Hey, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Apex Trader. Apex Trader pays. Maybe you don't see it. Apex Trader just paid $2,000. It says 2 minutes ago, but it's in Hungarian, but it says 2 minutes ago you got paid by Apex Trader. Yay! Awesome. He's the legend, absolutely. Natasha! Welcome. I'm sorry I didn't say hello. Welcome, Natasha. You do have some competition at this hour. Yeah, I mean, guys, I don't see anyone as competition because everybody has a different vibe, different style. So there's nothing wrong with that. I have no such thing as competition from my end. That's why I like to do. I would love to do more joint streams, not just with Methodical Man, but with others too. Let's go, 2K in the bank. Yeah, thank you. Let we print money. Hello, Natasha. Good to see you. I hope you're feeling better. Ah, yeah. I told you guys I'm in a good mood because I got approved for another $1,019 by Apex, and I got the email that the money has been sent. So my bank showed me the push message that so I got the email in about an hour ago that the money has been sent and it's in the bank account. So that's that's definitely helping. Oh, my super indicators. And I don't know what I mean. I think I should. I think I want to enter a long position on the evaluation account. But maybe that's not a good idea right now. Because we have that hourly fair value gap. What should I do? Well, anyway. I entered a small long position. Only on an evaluation account. The problem is we didn't go and sweep this level. So I'm not risking a funded account, but I entered on an eval targeting 46. Yeah, 46 is cool. Just to have a trade on. I put it on a Funded Futures network account. By the way, buy one, get one for free is still on. So here's the trade. It's only on eval. Buy one, get one for free is still happening. I think it ends on Friday. So KK Trade, good morning. Yeah, let's keep printing. You have the 10K drawdown. Whoa, I have to check on that. 10K drawdown. I'm gonna trade at gold. I'm not sure. Let's look quickly on gold, okay? Quick look on gold. We're still hovering around the midnight level here. And there's a small gap on the 15-minute. Could be interesting as possible buy side. Nothing that I see would be interesting for me on gold. On the big picture, I'm bullish, that's for sure. And we have an order block. Okay. Okay. So I'm definitely gonna stay. I'm definitely going to be bullish here. Click the like button. Thank you so much, Nikolai. Make the noise. Make the money printer. I'm not really a breakout trader. The reason why I entered on NQ here, the sole reason for the entry is because of these indicators. That's it. Nothing more. Nothing more. And this is why I only entered. I have a drawn liquidity at 347. The supersonic indicators from the future gave another signal, so I just took it. I felt the urge to pull the trigger. Where is it? Where is this? Where is this? Okay, here it is. So the supersonic indicators told me there's... Oh, what is this? What's happening? What? Okay, I guess it's good. I guess it's fine. Anyway, the trade was based on the indicators. I told you guys I'm using that. I mean, there is one account, by the way. I didn't want to show you guys this, but I have a TradesViz. It's like TradeZilla, detailed information. But there is a Bulenox account. I'm gonna show you this. I have a Bulenox funded account somewhere here. This Bulenox funded account has $2,433. Believe it or not, but I'm going to prove to you in a video because I'm preparing a video for this. 95%, except like one or two trades, 95% of the trades are being called or made on this funded account based on this indicator that I use. So this indicator, 95% of the trades were made by this indicator on this funded account. And I'm going to take this funded account to a payout. I don't know how much time it's going to take, but it's based on an indicator. Just to prove myself that even if you trade with an indicator, it doesn't really matter how you do it. At the end of the day, it's risk management, and that's it. So that's why I'm still testing and eager to see how it goes. Market maker buy model completed. Past the 50k eval. Bands, let's go. And by the way, we talked about this earlier in the stream. This is what we're looking for. 4-hour/1 hour fair value gap. If you look to the left, search for 374.50 on the micro. I'm not sure what's that on the mini. We can look for it on the mini. Here it is. Oh man, it's actually lower, I think. 372 on the mini. 372. Buy side liquidity. There's a fair value gap there. Fair value gap from February 27. That's the drawn liquidity. It's official. I'm not saying personalized guarantee, but it might gonna have a pullback here. We have the London Open, by the way. So I'm gonna modify it to 72 because that's lower on the mini. Okay, 372. That's the drawn liquidity. $372. That's where we're going. There's no other way around it, man. What is going on? I have to put my phone on the charger. Okay. Ultra charge. Nice. Ultra charge. Kind of feels like a bullish flag here. There's gonna be another possible signal on gold, maybe. Okay. NQ, bit of a sideways movement here. I'd like to see 372 being taken out. I don't have any entry. I mean, you can enter basically if you want to. Like, the risk to reward is not that bad, even if you just go with a 1-to-1. Look at this. You can enter base. It's not bad. We are in the gap here. If it's not gonna do a bigger pullback here, you can actually enter. Why not? Giving you better and better entries and better risk to reward ratios. Look at that. So not financial advice, obviously, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I'm actually thinking to enter. $372 is up there. It's not far. We'll see. Kind of feels like it wants to pop up there. I don't know. Hard to decide. Gold is going down slower a bit. Alright, I think I'm going to take a small trade, a very small one, just to see how it goes. So I enter the long position. Small risk. If it goes lower for a pullback, it's fine. It's not a big deal. I just thought that in this accumulation phase, we might go for that fair value gap. So my take profit is at 370. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. So it's not an ideal entry, I know. Actually, I should have entered at least somewhere down there at 40 or 41. So my entry is way off by at least 5 points. But if it goes down, it's a small risk, and we'll see. We don't have any news. I'm targeting 370. If it pulls back, I'm not gonna wait for a pullback into that 1 hour BC down there. The risk to reward ratio is somewhat okay, but the drawn liquidity level is where I anticipate the price that it should go to is, I think it's there, but let's make it. Hello, Ollie. Welcome. Yeah, we have some levels up there. If everything would go well, this is an accumulation phase here, and should be popping more to the upside. It's not that far, actually. It's not that far, the 370. So it's not a big deal. Oh my god. I pushed the wrong button here. I pushed the button on the soundboard. I'm sorry. That would be the trade entry button. Oh, you guys didn't hear it because there's no desktop audio. Okay. You still use the reversal like a revenge button on NQ? No. I did use it last year a couple of times, but this year I think I can proudly say I didn't touch it. So last year I tried it, so I don't use the reverse button. Oh, Thursday, Paul is gonna speak. Okay. By the way, I think the reverse button is a very it has been put there for you to lose money. I mean, it's good for the brokerages and the prop firms, especially for the brokerage on a real account. But it's there to toss you into huge losses. I think the reverse button is not such a good idea to have there. Yeah, it's struggling a little bit, but you know, believe in the force in the trade, and it will be okay. It's definitely struggling. I'm risking about 120 bucks on this one, something like that. What a day, right? What a day. Yeah, Naomi. I did that too. But exactly how you said it. When I come in peace with the thing that okay, this is gone already, then yeah. Then maybe. Yeah, old or dead, Gregory. That's true. If you accidentally enter on the wrong side, yeah, that's also a good thing. Yeah, screw the reversal button. If I could, I would get it out somehow from Quantower or any other platform. But we need to crack the code. I'm reading the chat, but I went through real quick. I could take off mine. How do I do it? There's a setting, maybe? So if I go to settings, show order entry. Oh my god, look at that. Show reverse. Boom. Hello, no reverse button. Show reverse and cancel. Eh. Oh, wow. Brand new information. Show cancel limits. Okay. Okay. I just disabled the reverse button. There is no reverse button. Look at this. Haha. No reverse button here. This is so awesome. It just went away. This is great. We are winning. Just disabled the reverse button. Awesome. All right. What a session. What a session so far. If this is going to continue for the next 5 to 10 minutes, I might even close the trade wherever it is. Casual, good morning. Hey, Bad Mouse. My man, thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it very, very much. Thank you, Bad Mouse, for using my code. Yeah, Bulenox still has a 91% sale going on. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Just sideways movement here. Get ready for a pump? Well, hopefully, but we never know. 372 would be so great to have. That would be such an amazing victory. But if it goes lower, there is a very nice level at 302 on that 1 hour BC. And yeah, as I just said it, the market makers heard me. They're watching the stream, I'm telling you. Oh no, we're going lower. Okay, it can pick up some liquidity. I'll let it do that. But then it should be going higher. Entry in 15-minute fair value gap. Let's check the 15-minute, by the way. Oh yeah, here it is. Problem is my stop is too tight. That's the issue. That's the problem. I almost at my stop. Almost out from the trade. Unfortunately. But don't worry. We'll be back. Let's see if this 15-minute BIS is gonna do something positive for this price action. Almost stopped out. Almost. 2 points away. 1 point away. Almost out, and I'm out. Okay. I'm out. It is what it is. What a spike here, by the way. Interesting. What a spike. 26. Yeah. That was nasty. And now we could go down for that 302. How about that? Picking up liquidity from that 1 hour gap. Yeah. Now it feels like it might want to go down. Anyway, we traded through that 15-minute gap. What is below here? I have to check that 1 hour gap on the mini too. 1 hour gap on the mini. Is this gonna take liquidity here? I'm not sure. Is this going to take liquidity? Okay, the low here. Oh, 2.50. I have a feeling that it wants to sweep that level at 02.50. Look at that. Look at that. Never mind. Almost there. Almost there. Might be bouncing up there. 06. Looking for that. Exactly. Exactly. Careful if you're scalping it, there could be a bounce, but it seems like it wants to tap into that 2050. I'm sorry, 2.50. 2.50. Was so close. It should be popping it. There you go. What a drop, man. Feels bad a little bit. Not gonna lie. Feels bad. But this is part of trading. This is trading. Actually, I should have gone short. Now the reverse button could have been useful. Like as we closed down here, it was clear that we're going down. Shoulda, woulda, coulda take a scalp short down there, but now it's too late. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. This one was a very clear indication here. Pump to the downside. Exactly. I was so sure about that 1 hour gap up there. Like it was just, you know, accumulating orders and boom, was expecting one more push. Well, happened before, it will happen again. What's on the downside? We do have an order block, by the way, here on the 5-minute. It's not a perfect one, but does it want to go back to midnight area? Let me check the 1 minute. There's some gaps here on the micro. Now, very important, if you enter now, that would be chasing price. So, feels like it might want to go down to 288 to touch the order block. You were waiting for short? Man, I missed this one. I totally misread this one. I mean, I'm not bragging or anything, but usually I see some of these levels fairly good. But this one I wasn't expected. This is absolutely not expected by me. So I was expecting quite the opposite. I was expecting, okay, accumulate, boom, one more push. Yeah. I wasn't sure about this. Why did I not see this? But anyway, 88 is the neckline of the 5-minute order block or demand zone. 88.25, that could be the next target. There's a volume imbalance here at 89. I think it should be or could be touching that level down there. Careful. There you go. There you go. Did it go down to 88? Almost. Gold is going higher. Well, it is what it is. Still not down there at 88. Expecting down close candle down there. Exactly, Kirk. So, but if this was accumulation and this is manipulation, what comes next? Long 98. Not a bad idea, actually. I think it could still touch the 288.50 just to have a contact with this order block here and then go higher. That order block can actually help price to get higher. But we'll see. Gold is slowly went up there. Still up there. I think gold wants to make a new high. Okay, we went down there. We are in the order block, 288. Order block low is 280 on the 5-minute. And that's it. Nothing else is down there anymore. Nothing really. We have an Asia low at 246, but yeah, I would call this Asia low here. 246. I'm sorry, everybody. I have no entry. I'm scared. I'm a chicken. I'm not entering. I'm a chicken. This is the distribution. So what was that? I mean, if I go to the 1 minute. Anyway. So this was the manipulation, accumulation, distribution. No, I'm not sure. Lizelle, hello Lizelle, welcome. You were shorting, but your stop loss with what? I was scared to re-enter because I'm in my buffer. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you there. But still, good trading. What's the reason? I don't know. Is there any news? Maybe some news came out, but I don't know. Which prop firm is this? There's a prop firm on Financial Juice. Oh, Apex. Oh, this is DAYTRADERS. This is due to an ongoing federal lawsuit against the prior potential owner of failing to fulfill financial ATF. This is DAYTRADERS, by the way. DAYTRADERS has purchased ATF.com, and so they put this out here. They are in a fight. Oh, man. Oh, this is like due to a federal lawsuit. ATF is available for purchase. I wonder how much money they are asking for ATF, by the way. No, it's you know, DAYTRADERS is basically the pre-owners of Apex, and I guess someone from DAYTRADERS is owning ATF.com, and so they are trolling Apex Trader with this. How much is their worth? I don't know. Team Pain says we had PDH. Thank you, but not on ES. It was an SMT. Man, I think I should pay more attention on SMTs, man. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives. Well, basically, I think that was the reason why Apex Trader had to because they were using ATF for a while, but they switched back to Apex Trader funding. Well, they don't technically owe, but I mean, Apex Trader claims that DAYTRADERS owing them money. DAYTRADERS claims that Apex is owing them money because of the technology that they are using. So the founders of DAYTRADERS.com saying that they have the license and the rights for the technology and the system behind the prop firm, which Apex Trader stole. While Apex Trader claims somewhat the opposite, that DAYTRADERS stole the technology. So the lawsuit most likely is gonna last at least for 2 or 3 years. So DAYTRADERS is claiming $40 million, I think, from Apex Trader. 40 million or 30 million, something like that. And you guys must have checked it on Twitter. The lawsuit papers, some of them were leaked on Twitter. They're claiming $40 million, and it seems like by the tax papers from 2024, Apex was making between $10 to $15 million net profit after payouts and taxes. $10 to $15 million per month last year in 2024. According to the tax papers that was leaked to Twitter when this lawsuit began. So I assume that Apex is still making millions of dollars net profit per month. And by the way, if you really think about it, that's a huge chunk of money in the prop firm space. So I don't know who's owning ATF. I would suggest that someone from DayTraders is owning ATF. Yeah, DayTraders is basically the copycat of Apex Trader. The main difference is that they don't have a monthly fee. No monthly subscription required for the evaluation. I got paid out one time from DayTraders, $2,000 I received last month from DayTraders.com, by the way. So they paid me. They have a Discord. Where does all this money? Well, we all have to look in the mirror. Where does this money come from? Imagine, like, how much people are trading at these prop firms and at the big names. Like, according to these scanned tax papers from 2024, $14 and $15 million income were reported by Apex per month. 10, 14, $15 million of income in a month. I mean, that's not bad, actually, for a prop firm. So that's why I'm saying, even though all this negativity that's circulating around Apex, I think that Apex is far from being insolvent or having financial issues. That being said, I know that payout denials are happening, and what can we do? It is what it is. It happens. Maru, I got paid by DayTraders only one time last month. So do they pay right now? I assume they do, because I saw their Discord. There are always some people showing payouts. So I got paid out again, like $2,000 in April. And I blown up the account since then, unfortunately. I got on tilt. But yeah, they paid. Yeah, by the way, 100 lot, you're saying something like there would be, I mean, there's no big issue with Apex. The main thing is keep your drawdown under the 30%. That's a soft rule, by the way. So if you set up your stop loss below that 30%, you should be okay. Yeah, and if your drawdown is going for that 30% level, just take the loss, close the trade. And that's what I did, by the way. I can talk from experience. So this payout that just got approved, I had a loss of $720 or $730, including commission. I closed down the trade. Guess what I did? I re-entered the trade. That's exactly what I did. I re-entered the trade, and I was waiting for it to go up. It was a buy position, and it went to profit. I got the payout level, and I got paid out. That's it. I just re-entered the trade. I know it's like a crazy rule, maybe. I don't know, but I'm not sure. But that's how I did it. Yeah, just got to take the loss. It might be feeling a little bit like, oh man, my balance has just gone down. But if you're really confident about the trade, then you can choose to re-enter, and that's it. Anyway, gold went up. So what's next? Okay, I'm still looking. Maybe I'm still looking for long positions. Why not? We have the pre-market open still ahead of us. Yeah, let's go. Let's go 100 lot. About 305 anchor looking for long. Yeah, I will be looking for longs as well. You're long on gold? Rush Delgado. Yeah. I think we can go for that buy side at 3245.8. That's a 1 hour level, right? No. Then what is that? 15 minutes, sorry. 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute CB. Okay. That could still be a good target. 3245.8. Yes, exactly. Exactly 100 lot. I took the loss. I can actually show you what happened. Just a second, I have to sneeze. Anyway, so what happened? It was yesterday. Yesterday. Tuesday. I'm going to show you exactly what happened here. Yeah. So after the stream, yeah, this was it. So I thought that we're going to break these highs here yesterday. After the London stream, I thought that we should be going up. I closed around the stream and I went crazy as usual. And of course, look at what happened. I got stopped out. I got actually stopped out 2 times. $500 here and almost 700, a little bit more than $700. So I was on tilt. It was one account. I was down like definitely more than $1,200. And so I got stopped out down here, and then I was waiting. And then price started to go up there again. It was accumulating, and I was like, okay, if this starts to go higher, I'm gonna re-enter. So I just re-entered somewhere here, and I just let it run. I was just letting it run. It was a crazy trade, I know, but I had a almost $500 loss here and another $720 loss here, and re-entered here, and I let it ride, and I got the payout approved. So very, very crazy. This trade was actually a huge one. I made like $1,400, $1,500 on this trade. I was in with like, I don't even know how many micros. It was a lot. I didn't switch to mini. I stayed on micros. I was keep adding to it as it was going higher, and that's how I got there. Definitely not proud of it. So I guess I was lucky in that term. I was lucky. So Lady Luck was on my side on that trade because I was a little bit on tilt there. Look, gold. Hey, Shenanigan, Dave, what up? Gold is going higher. Yeah, buy side liquidity 32.45.8. If I would go into a long position, 32.45.8 is what I would do on gold. And by the way, I'm still looking for possible buy entries on NQ. It looks like a bear flag. I know it looks like a bear flag. We have relative equal lows, man, and we have the order block low. That's an issue. Now this is when I get the analysis paralysis. We have relative equal lows down here, which is also an order block low. So order block low, relative equal lows, strong displacement to the downside, shifting like crazy, man. And we have an Asia low. We might even gonna see a possible short here. Look at that bearish engulfing candle on the 1 minute. Could be a short trade. Maybe I'm gonna take it on an eval. I'm not sure if I will enter, but I did not enter yet. The previous trade was on a funded, but I'm not sure I can take another loss in London on a funded. Oh man. All right. Took it on an eval. Enter the short. Looking for 281. Yeah, 281. Not risking too much on this. Here's the trade, only on an evaluation account. Risking like 70 bucks or something. So, Funded Futures Network eval. Anyway, let me read the chat real quick. Yeah, lucky is the best feeling. She had to kidnap Lady Luck. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about it. Since I banked 300 on this small pullback, nice. Yeah. Andre, yes, I trade ICT concepts. Yeah, I trade. I'm not a cult member, so I'm not praising Michael, and I'm not praying to his name, and I'm not a hardcore cult member, but I do trade ICT concepts. I mean, supply demand combined with ICT concepts, so somewhat like that. It's basically. He's a cult member. No. Yeah, that news was really best to wait, Nikolai. 307. Yeah, we'll see what happens. It's just an evaluation account right now. I have to be careful. I just got to analysis paralysis. Gakal, welcome back. Good to see you, man. Includes Elon. Taking over before market. Yeah. Hey Gabor, welcome. Üdvözöllek. Fellow Hungarian trader from Florida. Hey, good to see you. Mit trédelünk? Egy kicsit sortoljuk most az NQ-t. Volt egy nagyon rossz long pozícióm. Sajnos stop loss lett. Most csak íválon nyomatok egy kis sortot. Bit of a Hungarian, guys. Listen and learn, you know. Sima ügy volt, nem vészes. De lett két payoutom az Apex-től, megjön a harmadik is, szóval minden oké. Okay. Alright, what is going on with this trade, man? Pre-market open is gonna take me out, so it was a risky trade, eventually. Oh man, it's taking me out. What to do? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm out. Jeez. I'm never going to recover from this. Exactly, pontosan. Pontosan, mi nem adjuk fel. Meg remélem te sem. That Bulenox has a limit account per person. Yeah, 11 accounts is the maximum that you can trade. You can start with 3 funded accounts, but you can scale it up. As long as one of your accounts goes above the safety net, then they are adding you more accounts. So you can do evaluations. They're going to be in pending mode when you pass them, and as long as as soon as you pass any of your funded accounts above the safety net, they're going to add it. They're going to activate it, and you can have up to 11 accounts at the same time. So can buy more evals, bought for, or can buy more evals. How's that? Failed payment. It has to be something with your payment processor, or try a different one. There is like, I think, 2 credit card processors for Bulenox, and there may be an issue with your debit or credit card or your bank, since you must check it. So there could be a limit on your online purchases. I think it's like 90%. I think it's your bank. This 1 minute wait. Yeah, this was a killer. By the way, it could be a good long position here. Who knows? There is no issue, no limit. Well, I think there is 2 or 3 options on the dashboard of Bulenox to use a debit card. Or if you have a PayPal, account, you can choose PayPal, and with PayPal you can also use your debit or credit card, you know. Maybe try that. I don't know. Just an idea. Just an idea. Pre-market open is on the way. Satoshi is buying it for you. That's good to know. All right, I'm gonna definitely wait for the pre-market. This was just an evaluation trade, account trade, nothing special. So let's just wait and see what's happening. What time is London session? And no, the London Open happened at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard. Now we are waiting for the so-called pre-market open for stock exchange pre-market electronic trading hours, you know. Which is happening at 4 a.m. Promise? All right, Satoshi. All right. All right. Oh, man. Well, less than 3 minutes to go. So, just saying again, on Friday, there will be no London session. And also, there will be no London session next Tuesday. I'm sorry. Both days, I'm taking my mother to hospital. So, Friday, no London session. And next Tuesday, no London session. But I will be here in New York today. And tomorrow, full day. And Friday, so yeah, Friday New York session, I'll be here. Tomorrow, London and New York. Today, New York. So all is good. But Friday, no London session. And next week, Tuesday, no London session. Do you drink on the weekends? Thank you, Yamil. I'm not really drinking. I drink occasionally, like on Christmas with the family, maybe on birthdays, but only like a bit. Like during the summertime, I like a nice cold beer, but otherwise, I like a good wine. I would say I'm a wine person. But on a hot summer day, I take a beer. Yeah, but that's it. That's all I drink. Maybe on a birthday or something, I drink a spirit or something, and that's it. Take a shot or two. That's. Yeah, wine is good. Beer is good too, but I like beer on a very hot summer day at the beach, maybe. Looking the sunset with good wine, yeah. Okay, we have the pre-market open, seemingly going lower here. Money is in the pocket, the best feeling, right? I'm gonna tell her. Thank you so much, Yamil. We're definitely finishing this week strong. We will. 100%. 100%. 100%. Looks like it's still pushing higher. What is going on? Let me look on gold. Gold is pushing higher too. I have a feeling that gold wants to go. Just a second here. What was that level on gold? 3245.8. $45. Yeah. It went up there. But anyway. Oh, back to NQ. So I'm not sure. I'm still waiting. Still waiting on the sidelines. I took a small scalp on the gold to go long for that 45.6 my TP on gold. Small scalp. Only on eval. On evaluation, I took a scalp trade to go for 45.6. Otherwise, I'm watching NQ. I'm eyeballing with NQ strongly. I'm so tempted to jump into a short position, man, to scalp it to the 80s. I don't know. The urge is killing me to push the sell button here for a quick scalp. It would have felt so good for a quick scalp. Grant it to me, trading gods. I need that quick. I don't care. I entered. Enter the scalp targeting 280.25 on evaluation account. Actually 280.50, sorry. Let's go, Yamil. It feels good until it flips. Yeah. Oh man. I'm in a short. Targeting 280.50. Come on. Oh no, no stop loss. Who cares about stop losses in this game? I don't. I don't care about stop loss anymore. Stop loss is for chickens. Who cares about stop loss? Go, baby. Go. Come on. 280.50. Come on. What? I have to call the market makers here. This is just unbelievable. I'm a total degen right now, but only on an evaluation account. This is an eval, not a funded. This is a funded futures network evaluation account. No, this is I'm not doing this kind of craziness on funded. At least not on stream. I'm unplugged. Yeah. I take those trades off stream, so I can only show you guys the profits. That's how I do. True story. So, oh man, I'm crazy. Bro, what is happening? Come on, NQ. It's time. Un poquito más, Tom. What does that mean? NQ, why didn't you hit Tom's TP? Come on. And NQ says, no. I'm just not gonna. You know. I'm not gonna. But NQ, come on, man. Hit it, NQ, hit it. Come on, baby, hit it. 280.50, hit it. For the stream. You know. Hashtag for the stream. For entertainment purposes only. Please hit my TP. I want it. Hit it, baby. Hit my TP. Oh, that's for OnlyFans. I'm sorry. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hit it. Come on, that's it. Just hit it. Just a little bit more. I was almost there. Just a little bit more. I mean, sorry. Right? I think I'm gonna get flagged on YouTube for this. Well, anyway. Oh, man. Oh, my gold hit the TP, by the way. My gold trade hit the TP. Nice. Let's go. Oh, that felt good. Where's the sound? Finally. That felt so good. Okay. I am definitely gonna get flagged on YouTube, but who cares? Yeah, I'm sorry, Emil. I apologize to you. Really. Yeah, the sound was cool, right? We care. I was almost reading from the shit we came. I mean, I'm joking. Guys, I'm crazy. I didn't take my meds this morning, so it is what it is. No, I don't take meds. Read between the lines, Nice dump. Okay. I guess we have to delete this VOD after the stream. I think this is gonna be one of those streams that goes to the dumpster. Okay, Asia Low is next, by the way. No jokes aside, everybody. Full port. Asia Low is next. Everybody on the train now. Asia Low is our next stop. Full port, everyone. We're not posting anything. This is between me and you guys. It's a secret. I'm not telling anyone. Right? I'm not telling anyone about this. It's just between you and me. Actually, the moment when we finished, viewers climbed up a little bit higher. So I'm just seeing it. Okay, we had more viewers. I guess if I make that noise, that sound, that may be attracting more viewers. Asia Low is the next stop, for sure. I mean, there's never a sure thing in trading, but I don't see why not. We still have time from the kill zone. Asia Low is very close. I am definitely stealing those subs. Yeah. I wonder if I... Oh, I still need a bit of an extra. I need a little bit less, $481 to pass an eval at Funded Futures Network. By the way, what's happening here? No, that's not it. That's not it. Okay, it's fine. It's okay. 10 points to go. I think we should be having that level. I'm not jumping into a trade, but it's pretty darn close. Oh. Oh, Lizelle, I wasn't reading. I'm going away on the screen now before I will do. Okay. See you later, Lizelle. I'm not sure. I'm sorry I was reading that a little bit late. See you later. Oh. Oh wow. Okay. I wasn't expecting this. Boner candle here, which can turn into a lightsaber, but we'll see. By the way, according to my super magical indicators, there was a short entry here. So with a 1-to-1, it's still a valid entry. Just saying. Who knows? It's still a valid short entry. Not this one, not this one, but this one. Yeah, high time frame is still bullish. I felt like we would take out that Asia low, especially after this move to the downside. The super magical indicator is nothing super special. It's basically exponential moving averages combined with fractals and fractal indicator and zigzag. That's it. But I will. Geza, are you Hungarian? Geza, is that a Hungarian name? I think you're Hungarian, right? Exactly. We have to keep it super simple, Super simple. Enter the short at 78.25. Exiting 47.75. I don't know what is the low there. Okay. Okay, yeah. Exiting 47.75 if I can make it down there. And that's it. Only $100. Looking for that Asia low, I guess. Australian. There's a Hungarian name which is exactly like yours. It's Geza. It's exactly the same. It's a Hungarian name, Geza. Oh my god, the man from the future. I know what you don't. We will dump again. Okay, I'm relaxed now. I know what you don't is actually from the future. Welcome back, man. Just a quick $100. That's what I'm looking for. Come on. Dump it, NQ. We need Asia low. You got break even. 330, man. You are short from the top there. You want 205. Okay, I'm okay now. We are trading the trend. I mean, maybe sometimes short-term trend. What does that mean? Are we through yet, Martin? I wasn't following exactly the model right now. Are we done with the 3 legs? 1, 2, 3. Jesus, we're done. Okay. Uh-oh. So 1 leg, 2 leg, or is it the 2nd leg, the complete move, or this will be the 3rd leg? Oh man. That's not good. Martin is long and I'm short. TRADEIFY saying check the 15-minute. Looks good. No, I mean, a little bit scary. Man, there's an order block up there. I don't know. Feels bearish, to be honest, on the 15-minute. Feels bearish. Yeah, exactly. I mean, they tell me I got 3 legs. Yeah. Oh, the Venom model. Okay. Let's dump 100 points. But I'm scared. Man, I'm definitely scared. Actually, not that much. Ron is here. Okay. Ron is here. How do you use the New York? Tom, what information does it provide to you? The New York Midnight Open. It basically helps me to determine are we in a premium or a discount array. So above the midnight level, obviously short orders or short trades have higher probability to turn around. That doesn't mean you cannot go short below that, but probabilities are higher as you know. The more you go higher, the bigger chance if there comes the reversal is going to have a higher probability. The same goes on the other way. But also, if there is a good like fair value gap or liquidity void or unbalanced price range or an order block lining up with the midnight level, that's actually a super extra confirmation for draw on liquidity, especially on a range day. Whoa, we have Tabani Emmanuel. Subscribe to the channel. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Welcome to the stream. So basically that's what helps me. Still learning. Yeah, emotional things are always. Well, for some people it's longer. For some people it's shorter time. It's always different, you know. Yeah, so Gokop, there's no super special thing about the New York Midnight Open, but it helps to anticipate some moves or targets, maybe, especially when it lines up with some other levels. Yeah, and it's basically, you know, when you sometimes just zoom out and look at how the day is going on, it gives you a bigger picture, helps you to give a picture, like what to look for. Well, this trade is not looking that good right now. Whoa! Yusef Ismail just subscribed to the channel. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'm from Catch Commit. Yeah, I'm on the payout list. Jesus. I'm from Catch Commit. Yeah, I'm Tom from Catch Commit. Exactly. There's a payout list at DayTraders. Wow. I'm on the payout list at DayTraders. Super proud. Not working on Bulenox? It should be working. It should be working. Let me check it. It's still valid as far as I checked this morning. Yeah, it's working. Option 1 accounts. Option 2 accounts is Tom Sabo 2. Maybe that was the problem. If you're looking for option 2 accounts, and also currently the 91% promo is not available for the 25k accounts. For the 25k accounts, you have to use Tom Sabo 3. So that's only 83% right now. So the current promo is for 50k and higher on the 91%, option 1. For 25k, it's Tom Sabo 3. And for any option 2 accounts, which is the end of day trailing, is 45% with Tom Sabo 2. So, yeah. Thank you, köszönöm József. Próbáld meg, lehet, hogy azért. Meg próbáld így oda-vissza kattintani, mert néha nem frissül, és akkor frissíteni fogja. For Take Profit Trader is the same, Tom Sabo. It's 30% off with no activation right now. With no activation. I feel like it's gonna go up for liquidity. Not good. Not good. Yeah, it's working now. Okay. You're welcome. Hey, no problem, Yamil. You guys are using whoever you want to support. That's it. And I always say, like, these prop firms are having a base code, but don't leave it at the prop firm. If you would like to support anyone, not just me, but, you know, use the code for your favorite streamer. Wink, you know. I don't want to fade you there, Martin. Methodical Man is good. He's great. He's more of a scalper, I think, and I think he has, I mean, very good nerves for doing scalping with Mini, and I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that. But he's getting payouts all the time as well. Yeah, by the way, Top Step TV, I mean, I don't want to say bad or anything, but uh, as far as I checked, about, like, when I saw what they were doing, some of those, I'm not gonna name anyone, but when I saw some of those people entering one or two trades, like sell low, buy high, which sometimes I do, but I was like, what is going on? And they were like in it on in with like minis, 1, 2, 3 minis. I was like, what is going on? Like, is this really what Top Step TV wants to promote? Like, I mean, there's nothing. No, it sounds bad the way I say it. There's nothing wrong with going in with minis, as long as you're having a strategy, a tight stop. But they were letting positions float into $1,000-$2,000 of drawdown, and I saw this multiple times. And I was like, I'm not sure if that's a good risk management. I mean, I don't know. So yeah, whenever I see Top Step is going heavily short or long, then I know what to do. then usually the best thing is to do the opposite. I'm sorry to say this, and no offense personally to anyone who trades there, but you know, when I see things happening, I'm usually nowadays not really watching Top Step TV, but when I did, I was like, what is happening? Yeah, exactly. You know, I appreciate the honesty there. I suck, but at least I'm nice. You know, I suck too, but at least I'm nice. Yeah. And by the way, that could be causing problem, I think, in the future. I'm not sure. I mean, maybe with regulations or something. So that's contradicting thing. Like, they are making profits out of failed evaluations or combine accounts, but they are promoting bad habits on. Anyway, I don't know. It could be a problem for affiliates as myself too, and anyone. That's a different topic there, but could be. I mean, affiliate programs could be smashed away once the industry will be regulated, because it's basically, even if we say that it's not financial advice and all the risks and everything. Whoa, Shift Quad, hello, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. So we're basically promoting an industry which is making money out of failed evaluation accounts, and that's, in a way, it's contradicting, I guess. I don't know how the regulations is gonna deal with this. Anyway, VIP Global, hey, good morning. First time on the stream? I think you deserve an applause too. VIP Global, thank you so much for joining the channel. Welcome. By the way, if some of you guys did not receive this alert, it's because your YouTube, some setting was set to private and Streamlabs is not, you know, the alert is not going off. Welcome to the stream. I did not hear, Kirk. Brokers can't have affiliates, so props will probably get regulated. Yeah, they can't have affiliates. I was reading about this, but they can have marketing agreements. So, for example, I received email from a brokerage, and I was already emailing with them. I'm not going to name them, but I received email. Whoa, Scott Wong. Whoa, sorry, Scott Wong. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. So I received email from a brokerage, and they told me they're not going to do affiliate program with me, but they are willing to do a marketing agreement, which is okay by the law. So they can do a marketing agreement if I say my terms, and I can promote them if I trade with them. And that's the way they can, you know, go by the law. Marketing agreements. Lockout done for the day. 4.4K Dave trade. Congratulations, man. Awesome. I'm gonna close my trade, I guess. I'm closing it. I don't like this. I don't like this move. And this was on a funded account, so I closed it. Break even, I'm out. I just exited. Has some very nice trades in cassette, which is more than the majority. Hey, thank you, Gabor Kusanam. Whoa, what is happening? Another subscriber, Tyrone Hadley. Thank you for the sub. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, Tyrone. Let's see if there's a margin. Yeah, exactly. I was in a... Oh, man. The FOMO is going to kick in now. No, I'm happy for the day, by the way. Lynch Siller is not understanding my chart. Well, there's nothing super special. It's just I have some levels here. I had a sell side liquidity with an order block here, and relative equal lows that has been broken, and we have an Asia low, and we have a New York midnight level. This is what I use as true midnight Eastern Standard Time. The drawn liquidity, I think, is 246 right now. So. Yeah, exactly, Yamil, exactly. 5K subs soon. I'm super happy, by the way. We are approaching, well, we still have a bit to go, but we're approaching 5K subs. That would be amazing. Just one contract. Yeah. So these are the levels that I have. Anyway, I exited my trade. I do feel a bit of a FOMO because I think the Asia low is going to be hit. But anyway, I think I'm going to call it here, ladies and gentlemen. But before I go, let me just say that thank you so much for watching the channel. I appreciate all the support that you guys gave me, and one more thing. We have to do the commercial. So, if you want the best payouts, if you want the best deals, if you want some extra luck in your trading, don't forget to use the best promo code out there, for all these prop firms. Use the code TomSabo not just to have a good day and a good beer or a good wine, but to have the best discounts on all these prop firms. Check it out and support the channel and the stream. Thank you so much. This was sponsored by Tom Sabo's YouTube stream. Thank you. All right. All right, that was the commercial. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I'll be back for a New York session. Okay, let's see what this market is gonna bring us. Check out the sales going on. MyFundedFutures expert accounts down 30%. Take Profit Trader is definitely at the top, 30% off, no activation. Daily payouts, man, and 91% at Bulenox, 80% Apex. Buy one, get one for free at Funded Futures Network and all around everywhere. So thank you for the support. Use the code. Let's win together. What can I say? The most and foremost, the most important thing is God bless you all. I'll be seeing you guys in New York session. All right. God bless. Cheers. Hey, Bad Mouse. Bad Mouse, join the Winners Club. Man, thank you for joining the Winners Club. All right. Peace out. Cheers, everybody. See you guys later. Thank you, Bad Mouse.